Hello friends, welcome back to Vue JS tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about Vue JS conditional rendering, right? So what is conditional rendering? In Vue JS, conditional rendering is the process of showing or hiding any elements in the DOM based on condition. Simple. Vue provides a few code directives for this. Means if you check, you can see the if, else, else if, and show. There are directives in Vue.js which we'll use for conditional rendering. So let's understand step by step what is this actually. Suppose we have some data, means inside our data we declare something. Suppose I just going to check whether is login or not. So I just going to declare a variable is logged in, and by default I am just providing it as true. Okay, now based on that things I just going to check one things, means just declare another div, and here just write welcome back. Okay, and if you check this, we can see in the browser we'll get Vue.js course rendering and welcome back. But here we will use these conditions. If is login is true, then only we will see these things, otherwise not. So how to use this? So we'll use this if directives. So simply just write if is logged in. Okay, so now if is logged in is true, that means we can see welcome back, otherwise not. So just go to the browser, you can see the welcome back is there. But if you change from true to false, okay, now if you check, you can see these are not appear. Okay, so using this if we can conditionally rendering into our Vue applications. Similarly, welcome back is the if conditions. Suppose it's not logged in, means if is logged in is false, then I can see some message div let's log in. Okay, and here I just going to add some condition else. Okay, so if login is true, then it will see welcome back, and if not, then else part we will get the let's login. So just go here, so you can see let's login. Okay, and now I just going to change again, is logged in is true, that means welcome back. Okay, so login is true, so welcome back. So we can understand the if and else directives. Okay, now another things I want to see, some another things like I just going to use the else if conditions. Okay, so how to do that? So simply for boolean we can only get either true either false. Okay, I am going to declare another things, let's say status, and here just write something, status is right loading. Okay, and here just add some conditions. If the status is loading, equal to loading, then it will display its loading. Okay, otherwise I will going to add another conditions. Suppose another condition is after loading it is getting the message success. Okay, so else if success, then it will appear as loaded. Okay, and the else condition is you can see error, whatever, means when the status is loading, based on these conditions it will display the data. Means here if you check, we can see it's loading. After loading, if the status changed to the success, then it will show the loaded. If not anything, means I can remove all the things, then it can show error, or except loading or success, whatever we want we can see, we will always display the error. Okay, so if status is loading, then only it will say loading. If status is success, it's loaded, and except these two things, every case we will see the error. So we understand the above three things: v else, and v else if. Let's introduce another things, that is v show. Okay, so here v show is something, means it's always render the element but toggle its visibility with the css. How? So let's close this now, and we are just going to use this is logged in status. Okay, and here I just going to display inside the div, here write visible. Okay, and here write v show. So if is logged in, then it will show the visible. Okay, so it's true. Now if you just go here, it's visible, and if else, then let's change to the false, then it will not show. Right, so what are the difference between these two things? Actually, v uses for runtime conditional statement, and v show when toggling visibility. Okay, so basically these are the conditional rendering, means using v else, v else if, and v show. These are the common tag we will use very frequently in our applications. So hope you can understand these things, how we can conditionally render our applications or our any tags. Okay, so if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. Next we are going to discuss about how to list render using the Vue.js. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.